Alright, this is a header off of a Daytona 675. It's an '07 model, got about 30,000 miles, and there's an exhaust leak making a ticking sound. Sounds like valve shims. So you can look at this thing, and the leak is coming from somewhere around here. You can see it's pretty hard to tell, no matter where you look, that it's leaking. There's no soot deposits, there's no obvious crack, and we're going to come up with a way to find that crack. What we have now is our ghetto test rig. We're going to pour gasoline through this funnel into the header pipe and fill up that tube, and we're going to watch for a wet spot start to form. The reason you can't really do this with water is because water has a lot of surface tension and it'll bead up and it might not flow through the cracks because there's soot inside the pipe. But gasoline has a very low viscosity and very low surface tension, so it should seep right through. Alright, getting ready to start the test. I'm going to go ahead and pour in the gasoline, and we're going to watch for a wet spot to form. As you can see, that didn't take very long. Pretty obvious that something about that weld's pretty messed up. In fact, there's probably pinholes in addition to cracks along the weld. We're going to put some more in and see if we can't find any other leaks. Now, unfortunately, gasoline's unique properties also make it really good for soaking in digital cameras, which is what I just did. But if we go around all the welds, you can see they're all dry except for that one. Looks like if we clean up about half of that joint and re-weld it, should be good to go. There's also, I don't know if you could see it, slight pinhole there and there that are kind of suspect, and maybe another one here. So this header might be in bad shape, might need replacing, so I'll have to make a decision on that. But that's how you find exhaust leaks. Here we've got the affected area all cleaned up and ready to lay some fresh weld over the top of all this. It ain't going to be pretty, but hopefully it'll hold water. So there's my welding job. I had to seal up both sides, so it's a gigantic bead and it looks kind of like crap. I already tested it once, and this fresh blob right here on the end was to plug a tiny hole that was still left. It looks like it's pretty sealed up. I don't see any wetness coming through. So I'm going to call it good, put it on the bike and try it out.